Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is on NEET preparation video. That is, I'm going to solve some questions on the topic nomenclature from organic chemistry. So by doing this questions, it will be helpful for your examination. So before doing the questions, I will say some basics on this nomenclature. So let's look it. For naming an organic compound, there should be some rules and regulations for that. The main thing which we have to remember when we are naming an organic compound is this prefix plus word root plus primary suffix plus secondary suffix. These are the main things that we have to remember when we are going to name a organic compound. This prefix means the branch connected to the parent chain. The branch connected to the parent chain. The word root is meth, eth, prop, but, pent, and so on. The primary suffix says the compound is saturated or unsaturated. That is, the primary suffix says the compound contain a single bond or double bond, and the secondary suffix says that if the compound have any functional group, functional group. There are so many rules for the naming of organic compound. When we do the questions, I will say about it. So let's start doing questions. The first question is CH3, CH2, CH2, CHO, CHO. This is the first question. Look students, here this is a functional group. This is aldehyde. So we have to give priority to the functional group first. So we have to number the carbon containing functional group. That is from here 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we can name the compound. This is butane 1-ol. There is no prefix, there is no branch in this compound. So the next is the word root. The word root is but, and not, it's a saturated compound. So butane and 1-al. For the functional group aldehyde, the secondary suffix we write it as al. So butane 1-al is the name of this compound, butane 1-al. Butane 1-al can also be written as butanol. So are you clear students? I will say once again, this is a functional group CHO. CHO is aldehydic group. It represents the aldehydic group. So aldehyde group have more priority. So we have to number it from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, the word root for 4 is but. And means this is a saturated compound. So butane 1. In the first carbon, the presence of functional group is there. So 1-al, and the butane 1-al can be also be called as butanol. This is the next question. Look students, this is also a functional group. Which is this functional group? This is CHO. So here is a double bond and here is a functional group. This is the functional group CHO, that is aldehydic group. So when comparing to a double bond, aldehydic group have more priority. So we have to number it from the aldehydic group carbon. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's the name of the students? Try it. This is but. In the second position there is a double bond. So but 2-ene 1-al. In the first position there is a aldehydic group. So but 2-ene 1-al. So students, are you clear? Now the next question. The next question is This is the next question. In this question, look, this is a ketonic group. So here also a functional group, presence of functional group is there. So this functional group containing carbon should get the lowest number. So we can look, if we number it from here, it will get the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will get the number 4. If we will number it from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will, when we number it from this side, it will get the number 3, which is the lowest number. This is the lowest number. If we number it from this side, it will get the number 4. 3 is less than 4, so we will choose this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you clear, students? 3. Okay. Now look the branch. Is there any branch prefix? Yes, there is a prefix in the 5th position, that is methyl. So we have to write 5 methyl. 5 methyl. Word root is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 have the word root hex. 5 methyl hexane. No double bond. So hexane. It's a saturated compound. So hexane 3 on. Hexane 3 on. Ketone, the secondary suffix of ketone is on. 3 on. So this is the nomenclature of this structure. Students, this is our next question. So in this compound, the functional group is OH. OH, alcoholic group is the functional group. So how we should name it? Look, students, we can either name it from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the compound is 1, 2 diol. Benzene 1, 2 diol. This is a benzene and it contains 2 OH groups. So the compound name of the compound is benzene 1, 2. First position and the second position have alcoholic group. How many alcoholic groups? Total 2 alcoholic group is there. So 1, 2 diol. 1, 2 diol. This is our next question. Look, students, here is a double bond and a functional group. This is a halogen. Functional group is halogen here and a double bond is here. So when we compare a halogen to a double bond have more priority than a halogen. So we should give a less number to the double bond. So name it, number it from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So is there any branch, students? Yes, there is a branch. Branch is bromine. Prefix is bromine. So, how to name it? 4. The 4th position, there is a bromine. So, 4 bromo. The word root is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pent. 4 bromo, pent. 2 in. 2 in. 4 bromo, pent, 2 in. The second position, there is a double bond. So pent 2 in. This is the primary suffix. Here there is no other functional group. So there is no secondary suffix for this. So now the next question. This is our next compound. Name it 1, 2. First number it 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the second position, 2 branches are there. One is a phenyl group and one is a alcoholic group. So 2-phenyl propan 2-ol. 2-phenyl propan 2-ol. The name is 2-phenyl. Students, are you clear? 2-phenyl propan. Do you get the idea? 2-phenyl propan 2-ol. Ol is the secondary suffix of alcoholic group, ol. For aldehyde, al, and for ketone it is on. This is our next question. Here also a double bond is there and a functional group is there. Students, we should always check if there is a double bond and a functional group is present, which have the more priority. When comparing a double bond with a halogen, double bond have more priority. But when comparing alcohol or aldehyde, the aldehyde or alcohol should have the more priority than the double bond. So here also the more priority is for the alcohol. So we have to number from this carbon containing alcohol 1, and the next less number should be given to the double bond. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the branch, no branches here. Yes, there is a branch. Yes, here is a branch. A methyl branch is there. So 1 methyl cyclohex 2 in 1 all. 1 methyl, look, 1 methyl cyclo, this is a cyclohexane, not benzene, this is a cyclohexane. Cyclohex, the second position, double bond, 2 in 1 all, 2 in 1 all. Okay, let's complete today's video. Hope you all get the idea, a little idea on nomenclature. Let's do a next part on this video for nomenclature on organic chemistry. We can do more questions on the next video, a part 2 video. This is a part 1 video for nomenclature on organic chemistry. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. This is your channel Easy NEET. Thank you.